Hello dear students. Our last topic which is discussed in day 2 and day 1. So this is related to mirror. And lastly we discuss important point in a mirror. For example, principal, axis, radius of curvature and pole. So today we give definition of these points. So firstly, what do you mean by spherical mirror? We know that any reflecting surface which having curve in shape. So any curve shape smooth shining surface is known as spherical mirror. So firstly, what do you mean by principal axis? Lastly, we discuss an image of concave and convex mirror. So principal axis, that imaginary line which is straight pass through the pole and center of curvature. This imaginary line is known as principal axis. So after that, what do you mean by radius of curvature? So radius of curvature means radius of any spherical mirror is defined as radius of curvature. And last one is pole. So pole is defined as center of any reflecting surface of spherical mirror, which is midpoint of any reflecting surface, is known as pole. Student, last one is very important question. A relation between radius of curvature and focal length. So focal length is always half of radius. Radius of curvature is also double of focal length. Student, if you have any problem related to this topic, you have to send me a text or drop a message in a lead app group or WhatsApp group.